Now we're going to make some kale with tomatoes, garlic, onion, and a little red quinoa. I'm going to put some olive oil and butter into the pan. And drop in the onions and the garlic. Red onion for flavor and color, to add a little sweetness to that kale, and garlic just cut in half. And quickly saute this for a second, and then I'm going to add the kale to that. Now this smells good already. Why? Onions, nice fresh garlic, not cooked too much. The less you cook garlic cloves, the healthier it is for you. So that's it on that. And this is two quarts of kale, kind of loosely, not loosely packed. Now it's going to cook down. Like spinach, but not as much. And some pink Himalayan salt and pepper. I go easy on the salt. I go heavier on the pepper. That's up to the individual. And you can see the kale was in small pieces, and look how quickly it shrinks. And when it's almost done, I'm going to add the tomatoes for flavor and also adding a little more sweetness to the kale, which it always needs. This could be a side dish, or this could be your main dish. And I'm cooking this at noon time, so what I'm going to have this as my main dish for lunch. No carbs. Have to get away from that carb, which I'm slowly doing. See, there's nothing there. Now we'll add the tomato. A vine ripe tomato, nice and red. And the last ingredient, which I should have added a little earlier, but it doesn't matter that much. The mushrooms. Should have called this tomato and mushroom with a little kale, but you know what? It's nice. Or I would just say double the amount of kale, which I will make the adjustment in the recipe, because when I do these recipes, it's on the fly. So I'm kind of guessing on the amounts of everything. And that's fine like that. And now for the last item to add, which is some red quinoa. of your favorite grated cheese. I don't want to have a real cheesy taste here. Just a little hint. And we are done. So I will have this on a nice white plate. And this is enough for, that's a side dish right there. Actually, this is only enough for one person for a main course. And that is what I will be having. So you see what's left in there. And this is my lunch. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh, I forgot one important item. And why did I forget it? Because I didn't have it lined up outside. The roasted, salted almonds. That's a quarter of a cup. Why? I like almonds and they're good for you. Now you can enjoy it even better.